There is so much negativity out there in the workplace, in the world. And daily we see the power, the destructive power that has. In the midst of all of that, I want to reassure us that the power of positivity is great, and greater than that, the negativity. Because the positivity can carry across time and across distance. My mother-in-law had a characteristic. Prior to hanging up the phone, or before taking leave of individuals, she wouldn't say merely, "See ya, bye, love ya" even. It was always, "Love you so." The intent was clear. She wanted to emphasize that that's where her true emotions and feelings were. An extremely positive message. Unfortunately, my mother-in-law passed away now over 2 years ago. Imagine my surprise when many, many months later, I'm leaving our house and I say to my son, who has his hands on the keyboard and has 2 screens open, "See ya, love ya." And he responds to me, "Love you so." The power of that positive message from my mother-in-law had transcended time and had embedded itself with my son, who then carried it forward. I was so taken by that a few days later I was telling a work colleague this story. She was working on the West Coast but lived on the East Coast. And the following day after I told her the story, she came back and said, "You know what? When I talked to my husband on the phone last night, I closed the conversation with 'Love you so.'" That simple phrase, that simple positive phrase, had power to carry itself across time and across distance. If you ever feel that you're getting overwhelmed with the negativity, look for those simple, powerful, positive things that you can give out there in the world. And I guarantee you, the world will be a better place because of it. If you like this, please hit that like button and please subscribe. Thank you.